Hi. Well, it's close to the 4th of July here in the United States, so I'm going to begin some demonstrations over the next few weeks of various firework displays. Now, last year I did a video on a taco-shaped firework fountain called Taco Tuesday, and it had such a great response that I thought I'll remake the video, and for those of you who haven't seen it, I'll show you the Taco Tuesday firework fountain and how cool it is. So this isn't overly expensive. It's about $14.99. But it is probably the coolest firework fountain that I've seen so far. So I'm going to light it and demonstrate how it works. Okay, so was that the coolest firework fountain you've ever seen? I mean, most fountains, they're okay, but I think this one was just outstanding. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.